Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete search suggestions on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. And then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. After that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Here you will see a lot of options. All you need to do is simply tap on your activity. Scroll down to the bottom. And in how you use the Instagram menu, tap on recent searches. Here you will see a list of your recent searches. To delete a specific search suggestion, simply tap on the cross icon like this. And if you want to clear all your search history, tap on Clear All at the top right corner. And again, tap on Clear All from here. That's it. Your search suggestion on Instagram will be deleted. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.